Hezbollah on Thursday rejected a ceasefire plan agreed by the Lebanese and Israeli governments in U.S.-mediated talks. In a written statement, Hezbollah leader Naim Qassem said, quote, "As long as the occupation exists, the resistance will continue."
As a result of U.S.-led negotiations, Israel and Lebanon agreed to the implementation of a ceasefire.
The United States announced on Wednesday that Lebanon and Israel had agreed to a truce contingent on Iran-backed Hezbollah ceasing fire and evacuating its fighters from areas of southern Lebanon near the border. State Department Chief of Staff Dan Holler.
These steps will enable progress towards a comprehensive peace and security agreement.
But Hezbollah is not a party to the talks. Qassem on Thursday called the Washington Declaration, quote, "a roadmap for the annihilation of a section of the Lebanese people and the enslavement of the rest." Qassem said a ceasefire must include southern Lebanon, where Israel has seized a self-declared security zone, which it says aims to shield northern Israel from Hezbollah attacks. Qassem said that towns in northern Israel would not be secure, quote, "as long as our villages are unsafe, bombed, destroyed, and our people are being killed." Israeli Defense Minister Israel Katz earlier on Thursday said Israel would continue to strike Lebanon for the time being, and smoke from explosions could be seen rising beyond Israel's northern border. Hostilities between Hezbollah and Israel reignited on March 2nd when the group opened fire in support of Tehran as it came under U.S.-Israeli attack. The war is ground on despite several ceasefires declared from Washington since April, and has become a sticking point in diplomacy toward resolving the regional conflict. Tehran has demanded an end to Israeli attacks in Lebanon as part of any deal.